I would say.
Yep. Oh God, something just hit me. Oh nope. Oh,
Look at that trout. Oh, that's a mackerel.
you got a mac, man.
You got a mac. Nice.
Reeling it fast.
Yep. There's another one right with him.
I know. Damn, dude.
Nice
you
little
caught
mac.
the fucking shit.
Hell yeah.
I mean, do you want to keep it?
No, I'm not gonna keep just one.
Yeah. Unless you got another one.
No, I don't think so. Unless it's a goddamn giant one.
That's a big fucking mac.
Hold on, just wait until I
I
can see this. Shark.
Yep, shark tank.
Yeah, shark. So, yeah, you can let him go.
I'm gonna get a picture of it.
Yep. Here.
He ain't making much fuss. You go ahead. No, he must be good. Gotta figure out where my phone is. Without getting my hand bit off. Turn the other way. Sorry, dude. Look at you, man.
You want to get a shot of this one?
Yep.
You just got to hold him. I know. Hold on.
I'm trying to back up and get you in there. Turning without getting yourself fucking bit. Turning.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, just don't not that much. Get your fucking hand up further toward the face. Jesus Christ, you're gonna get fuck. There you go. I think I let it get in there. You're like fucking getting far away.
He's like,
Oh,
he's like getting back there.
I'm gonna eat.